itch.io is one of the best places to find amazing indie games, and getting them to work on your PC is straightforward. There are two primary ways to download and play games from itch.io in 2025. I'll show you both methods, starting with the easiest. Method 1, the itch.io desktop app. This is the best way to manage your games. Think of it as a mini Steam just for itch.io. First, download and install the version for your operating system. That could be Windows, Mac, or Linux. Second, open the app and log into your itch.io account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. Third, once you are logged in, your entire library of owned games will appear. You can also browse the store, find a game you want, and just click the install button. The app handles everything: the download, the extraction, and the installation, and will keep your games updated. Fourth, when the installation is complete, a launch button will appear. Just click it to start playing. Method 2, direct download from the website. This method is perfect if you only want to download one game without installing the entire app. Go to the games page on the itch.io website, click the Download Now button. The game will now download as a compressed file, usually a zip or RAR file. Navigate to your computer's downloads folder, right-click on the downloaded zip file, and select Extract All. Choose a destination on your PC, like your desktop, and click Extract. A new folder will appear with the game's name. Open it up and look for an executable file, usually a file with the name of the game and an exe extension. Double-click this file to start the game. And that's it. Whether you are using the app or the direct download, you're ready to start playing.